rain is getting bad, driver. I know, Tanner. It's getting really bad out. I don't know if we're going to continue on. Better stop at some point. But why? Just to make sure that it's safe to continue on, that's all. Alright, I guess. I don't know whatever that sound was, Tanner. But whatever it was, it didn't sound good. Hello? Anybody there? Whoever's out there, show yourself. You're starting to creep me out.
Don't you recognize your older brother? I'm not surprised. It's been a long time since I saw you, little brother.
Wait a minute. That voice. No, that's impossible. You were killed after your accident. You were scrapped.
What's the matter, little brother? Looks like you've seen a ghost. Finally meet once again, little brother. It's been a long time.
No, it can't be. Trenton?
I never get tired of hearing that nickname you gave me, little brother. It's so good to see you after all these years.
Oh. Trenton? Is that really you?
Aren't you the genius, little brother? That's my name. It's been a very long time since I saw you, little brother. I have to say this is unexpected. But I'm surprised you were reserved. Guess you were the lucky one, I guess.
Trenton, what happened to you? This isn't like you. What happened to you? I heard about your accident, but what happened? I was devastated of what happened to you, but what happened to you?
Really want to know? Those vandals diverted me onto the wrong line to the unfinished bridge in 1947. Everyone thinks it was an accident, but I know the truth. It was deliberate sabotage. They were the ones who caused me to crash. They killed me. And because of their greediness, they were the reasons that I was scrapped. But I took the necessary actions and gave them their punishment.
Oh my goodness. You killed them?
The real man should have kept me alive, brother. I served my purpose, and I worked hard on the railroad. But those vandals meant so little. Only treated me like a pile of scrap metal. I wanted to make me feel how I felt, and I took the necessary actions, and they got what was coming to them. They should never mess with anyone who did nothing
Trenton, how could you? Sure, they were mean and horrid, but they didn't deserve that. Just because there's a lot of bad people doesn't mean there's a lot of good people out there too. You should know that. You were cold-hearted. How could you do such a thing? You will do no such thing, brother. You go back to where you came from and stay there. You're a monster. Brother, please don't do this. I didn't do anything to deserve this. Please don't kill me.
I would claim you and take you, but knowing that you're my brother, I won't take you, nor your friends. But those bad engines and villains and those bad people, they will get what's coming to them. I'll make sure of that. Be lucky I spared you, little brother.
Trenton, I will stop you no matter what, and I will make sure no one gets hurt because of you.
This won't be the last time we see each other, little brother. We'll see each other again.
I need to warn my friends. Now!